Why is maintaining smart kitchen devices important?
The smart kitchen devices can simplify cooking and save time, but regular maintenance is key to keeping them running smoothly. Proper care prevents malfunctions, extends device life, and helps you avoid costly repairs. By following best practices, you'll not only improve performance, but also maintain safety and reliability in your kitchen over the long term.
How often should I clean and update my devices?
Regular cleaning should be part of your routine, ideally after each use for parts that come in contact with food. For software, check at least monthly for updates or security patches. Set reminders to avoid forgetting, as updates can fix bugs, introduce features, and enhance security. Timely maintenance also helps devices stay compatible with new apps and smart assistants.
What's the safest way to clean smart kitchen gadgets?
Always unplug devices before cleaning. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe surfaces and avoid excess moisture, which can damage electrical parts. For removable parts, hand wash or follow manufacturer instructions. Never immerse the main unit in water. Avoid harsh chemicals. Gentle cleaners or vinegar water solutions often work best. Proper cleaning keeps sensors, screens, and touch controls working reliably.
How can I protect smart devices from power surges?
Power surges can harm sensitive electronics. Use a surge protector to safeguard your smart kitchen gadgets from voltage spikes. If possible, unplug devices during severe storms or when not in use for long periods. This simple step can extend device lifespan and prevent costly damage caused by electrical surges or outages.
What troubleshooting steps can I try at home?
If your smart kitchen device isn't working right, begin by restarting it and checking for software updates. Ensure Wi-Fi connections are stable and power cords are secure. Many issues resolve with a simple reset or reconnecting the device to your smart home network. If problems persist, consult the user manual or contact the manufacturer for support or advanced troubleshooting.